LGBT screening that they organized themselves and they just called us for it. And
you can get the video. It's fine. Because I'm smiling. No, it's okay. I do video. It's fine. Thank you so much.
For what specific purpose you are here for the event?
today there was an LGBT screening that they organized themselves and they just called us for it. And we were really happy to come and do a Q&A and get a feedback of the film. And they really were happy. A lot of people, were really moved by the film, so it's been good.
But what do you feel in the lesbian community or the gay community? Is it something very, in our society, people are not broad-minded as such. They don't accept the kind of relationship they have. So what do you comment on it?
I think you can't generalize our society. I think there's a fringe part of our society that doesn't accept it, but I don't think that's true of everybody. And I think what has been said very nicely at this meeting today is that it's treated as very normal in the film, that we see the human beings in the story, whether they're gay or disabled. So I think that's really what the film is talking about.
But as a celebrity, will you do something for changing the mindset of the society?
I'm here as an actor, not an activist. So my job is to keep acting and do good roles. Shayoni.
So the film has been released. How is the response of the public as well as from the people from the Bollywood community as well?
The Bollywood fraternity was loving the film after obviously Aamir Khan and Kiran Rao, and then Mr. Bachchan saw it and loved the film and then tweeted about it, and really encouraging everybody else to watch it. We had screenings every day in Bombay. People actually told us that we've never been to a screening after which people are generally people are happy, and in here people are really somber, and they go back. Everybody is running to the loo and with clogged nose and crying and really moved. So it was very unreal for us to see that kind of response. But since the film released, we saw it with the audience. Yesterday I went with my friends. And actually, we found the audience more interactive, more reactive than even the Firang audience, in the festivals. So I think it's great. The response is stunning. On Twitter, Facebook, random, people are commenting on it, and also grown-up people. What is lovely is all people of all age group is liking the film. So it's ecstatic.
Talking about today's public interaction, how was the interaction and what about the subject of it, and what you have to comment on lesbian community as well?
Well, there is the screening here was very good because also it's the people. I mean, the film obviously talks about it doesn't talk about the issue, but the two main protagonists are gay in the film. And it's extremely unfortunate that in the 21st century you live in a country which is supposed to be a democratic country, but it's unfortunate that we can't choose the people we love, and somebody else wants to choose love for us, and it is pretty ridiculous in today's day and age. And I have lots of gay friends, although I'm straight, and it should be as normal as a heterosexual relationship. This was great because you also get to see what people who are actually gay and in homosexual relationships, what they feel about the film, and if they could connect to it, and it seems like they loved it. So,
Nice to see everybody's come out, and it's been a fantastic experience. It's a really cool cinema where we get to see art house and all the other work. So wonderful space. Thank you. Where are we looking here? Sorry.
Later one.
Thank you.
Big eyes for